Good morning to everybody. So day before yesterday we completed the exercise 11.1. So today we will start exercise 11.2. Before that, please recall the formula of the area of the parallelogram. What is the area of the parallelogram? Base into height. Area of the parallelogram is what? Base into height. Area of the parallelogram. Am I right here? Area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Here what is the base? What it is given for you? Base is 7 centimeter and height is what? 4 centimeter. So then it will be 28 centimeter square, which is the area of the parallelogram. Am I right? Yes. Now come to the second part. It is given that one parallelogram is given, base it is given, and then height it is given. Base is 3 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. Base is 5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So which one is the base? Base is 5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Therefore, area of parallelogram that is equal to base into height. So what is the base here? 5 3s are 15 centimeter square. 5 3s are 15 centimeter square. Am I right here? 5 3s are 15 centimeter square. That is what? Area of the parallelogram. Yeah. Look at the third part now. Here what is the third part given for you? The parallelogram is given. Its base is 2.5 centimeter and height is 3.5 centimeter. Now tell me the area of parallelogram. Equal to base into height, square units. Base is how much? 2.5. Height is how much? 3.5. Now 2.5 into 3.5, it will be 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10, 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 plus 1 is 7, 5, 7, 8. That is 8.75 centimeter square. Am I right here? Yes. Then come to the fourth part now. That it's a parallelogram. It's given. It's a parallelogram. Here it is given that 4.8 centimeter, I think so. Yes, it is 4.8 centimeter. That is height it is given. And then base is 5 centimeter here. You have to find the area of a parallelogram. So area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Here what is the base? Base is 5 and height is what? 4.8. So which is equal to 8 5s are 40, remaining 4 5s are 20, 24.0. So which is equal to 24 centimeter square. Which is equal to how much, dear? 24 centimeter square. That is what? Area of the parallelogram. Am I right, dear? Yes. 24 centimeter square. Okay. Now come to the next part, that is subdivision E. That is fifth subdivision. Fifth subdivision is that height it is given that 4.4 centimeter, and then base is 2 centimeter. You have to find the area of the parallelogram. So tell me, what is the area of a parallelogram formula? Area of parallelogram is nothing but base into height square units. Base into height square units. Here what is the base? Base is 2 centimeter and height is 4.4 centimeter, which is equal to 8.8 centimeter square. 8.8 centimeter square. It is the area of the parallelogram. Am I right? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? Question number 2. Yes. Question number 2. Find the area of the given triangle. Find the area of the given triangle. Question number 2. Find the area of triangle. It is question number 2. Now we come to the first part. That first part is, it is given that one triangle is given, base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. Area of triangle equal to half into base into height, square units, half BH. So what is the base here? Are you? Base is 4, height is what? 3, 1 2 is to 2 2 is 4. So 2 3 is 6 centimeter square. Am I right here? 6 centimeter square. Area of the triangle is what? Half into base into height, square units. Then look at the next one, that is the part B. One triangle is given that base is 3.2 centimeter, sorry, height is 5 centimeter and base is 5 centimeter and height is 3.2 centimeter. It is given. Base is 5 centimeter and height is 3.2 centimeter. Now area of triangle is what? Area of triangle is half into base into height, square units. Half into base into height, square units. So therefore half into base is 5, height is 3.2, which is equal to 1 2 is to 16 to 32, then it will be 1.6. 5 into 1.6, 50, 6 5 are 30, 80, then it is equal to 8 square units, which is equal to 8 square units. Here the unit is what? Centimeter, so therefore 8 centimeter square. 8 centimeter square. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. The next part, right angle triangle we are given. Right angle triangle. So that is base is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height, square units, half BH square units. Here what is the base here? Base is 3, height is how much? 4, 1 2 is to 2 2 is 4, so 3 2 is 6 centimeter square. 3 2 is 6 centimeter square. Am I right here? Yes. Now come to the fourth part, D. It is an obtuse angle triangle is given. Obtuse angle triangle, which base is 3 centimeter and altitude. So we know that in an obtuse angle triangle, the altitude always lies exterior. So it is 2 centimeter. Am I right? So now area of a triangle is what? Half into base into height. Half into base into height, square units. So what is the base here? Base is 3. Height is how much? 2 here. So 2 2 can cancel. So 1 into 3 is 3 centimeter square, which is the area of the triangle. Am I right? Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. In the next video, so we will do the question number 3. Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.